Welcome to my sculpting channel and a little bit more. Today I bring you more resin of the brand JamgHe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, probably not. But they sent me again more resin. I already did the review. They sent me free resin the first time and I just was amazing. And today they send me more colors, different types. So we're gonna check that out today. But one of the things that I also want to mention is that they gave me a discount. I'm gonna put the link in the description and the coupon code. But remember, there are affiliate links, which mean that I get a commission and not cost to you, just so you know. Getting that out of the way, now let's see what is in the box. Already can I open it, but I was just so excited I couldn't wait. They sent me this like a filament. I told them that I didn't have this type of printer, so I'm not really be able to use it, but I'm just gonna show it to you. I mean, I don't know. In the future, I may have to use. It's a different experience than resin 3D printing. So probably I'm gonna use filament in the future. So they sent me like a really cool blue. So this I'm gonna leave it for later. And let's check out. They sent me again two big resins and just love it. So again, so it looks like the resin come with a filter and gloves, because that's what happened last time. And let's see which color I have here. Nice. This is the standard and it's the gray. I don't know if that was the first one to be used, but I'm excited to really compare to my other grays that I have done over here that you can see. Probably gonna, with this one, print again my Pikachu, because something that I said last time is that this resin is just really tough. Now I was surprised, I was impressed. So let's see if this one also is tough. And this one is high clear. And that's really good, because also I'm doing a video that probably is gonna come out, I don't know when, but about clear resin from Lego. So I may compare them just to see how they look. So this is great. I have these resins, so let's print and check them out. I'm gonna show you again. I printed this Scarlet Witch, which I love. I'm gonna show you over here. This was with the water one, and this is with the washable alcohol. I don't know if it is a better way to say it, but I just love the quality. It's still really strong, and I just love it. Just look at these pieces. I have to say that always creating toys or something like this, kind of fidgets or just things that you can play around. I always, with all the other resins, I have so many problems. They break so easy. I did a dragon, but this was a small, because my build plate is not really big, and this is the shape of the dragon. This was the only size that I could do. What I want to say is that it's strong, so I can actually create toys. I feel that I can even maybe try to create my own things, and I feel comfortable selling them, because usually I never wanted to do something because they break so easy. It's almost like polymer clay or some of my sculpture. They're just there to look okay, but if you drop them, it's just they shatter. Now it's like having porcelain. I'm gonna show you these ones, because I have a cat. Maybe you've seen it in this channel. Well, I have two, but one is gray, and his name is Pantro, just because of this character. Pantro is in Spanish, so just before people say anything. So I printed this one that is really famous. It's just so easy to print. They gave me the clear one, but I have to say that I have so many fails. I have a couple of skulls that just, they took almost all the resin. One of the bad thing on my printer, 3D printer, is that doesn't detect when the resin completely is out. So I printed my piece and I ran after work and I tried to get on time, but I didn't. So I lost like 2-3 pieces, different one that I was trying. And I know there were different hours, different jobs, so I thought I was gonna make it. But that's another thing that I need to do. But it was interesting because not only I love the clear resin, you can see it. You have some other resin that are clear, and they at the end they print like yellowish. And this I like that is completely white. There's other things, and I'm gonna do a video to show you how you can make it completely look transparent. Usually after the cure they look a little bit opaque, but I still love it. I mean, I really love it. What you think? But one of the interesting thing that happened, well, I forgot to show you this one. This one is my own creation. I did it in Blender, and I just love it. I really love it. It's not like creating something that you did it yourself and then see it alive. It's just amazing. So I love the gray. I love the clear that they gave me. So one thing happened. One really thing interesting happened. What do you think it happens when you mix resin that is washable with alcohol with washable resin that you wash with water? So there are two different ones. Some they say that the water is weaker than the other. So what will happen if you mix? So it's exactly what I did. I ran one of those times, and I was able to make it. And I poured some resin, but the clear one I ran out. I didn't have more, so I used another that JamgHe sent me in the previous one, a green one, and it was like I said, water washable. And if you want to know what happened, just as a reminder, I have actually a code so you can get this resin a little bit cheaper. If you want to use it, it's there. But this is what happened when you mix. At least JamgHe, I don't know the resin, but I'm pretty sure they're probably similar. So I printed this one. Like you can see, you can clearly see the line. But this is the clear resin that you wash with alcohol, and this is the one that you wash with water, the green. And they're stuck together, they're fused. Look amazing. Look amazing. I really like it. Now I can see that I can even mix. That's also a good way to create colors if you want to do layers. Or what you think? So this was happened with the clear. Sadly I run out because of my felt prints, but that was on my part, not on the resin. So I really love it. I'm gonna keep using this resin, trying other colors, maybe other toughness, and I'm gonna check it out what they have because I'm really always impressed. But remember, this is a sculpting channel, but I do some 3D printing. So if you have any questions, please check my other videos, comment below, ask me a question. Enjoy art, and see you next time.